you tired of hearing the same old make money online ideas that sound good on TikTok, but in reality, never work? 2025 is different. This is the year of opportunity. Right now, there are online businesses that actually work, and I'm going to show you the best ones. Not theory, not hype, real opportunities you can start this year. And listen closely, because if you apply even one of these, you could completely change your financial future. So let's get started. Business idea number 1, digital products and courses. Here's the reality. The knowledge economy is exploding. People don't want to go back to school for years. They want short, practical, on-demand education. And guess what? You don't need to be a professor. You just need to know something valuable and package it the right way. Maybe you're good at photography, or fitness, or coding, or even personal finance. There are platforms right now that allow you to create and sell courses globally. And people are buying. Why is this powerful? Because it's digital. No shipping, no inventory. Once you make it, it sells over and over again. That's passive income. Business idea number 2, content creation as a business. Here's something controversial. Being a content creator is no longer just a hobby. It's a business model. Look around. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. People your age are making a full-time income just by sharing content. But here's the secret most don't get. It's not about going viral once. It's about consistency. It's about building trust with an audience and then monetizing with ads, sponsorships, and affiliates. And the best part? You don't need millions of followers. A loyal audience of just a few thousand people can already bring you thousands of dollars a month. Think about this. Which would you rather build? A job that pays you once an hour, or an online presence that can pay you while you sleep? Business idea number 3, e-commerce with a twist. Now I know what you're thinking. E-commerce is dead. Everyone is selling online. That's only half true. Yes, generic dropshipping is crowded. But niche e-commerce, that's where the real opportunity is in 2025. Here's the thing. People don't want another random gadget from Amazon. They want something that feels personal, eco-friendly, custom-made. Products tied to their identity, passions, or values. And the truth is, starting this kind of store has never been easier. Platforms like Shopify give you everything you need in one place. I'm talking about professional storefronts, payment systems, inventory tracking, all without needing to know a single line of code. Think about it. You could spend weeks trying to piece everything together, or you could be online and selling in just a few hours. Here's why this matters. The people who act now, who build the kind of stores customers actually love, are the ones who will dominate the next 5 years. So if you've ever thought, I want to start a business but I don't know where to begin, this is it. Don't overthink it. Use Shopify as your launchpad, test your niche, and get real customers fast. Because in this economy, speed is everything, and Shopify gives you that speed. So here's what I want you to do. If you're serious about building an online business this year, don't just keep this as an idea. Take the first step today. Click the link in the description and in the comments, start your free trial with Shopify, and see how fast you can turn your idea into a real business. Business idea number 4, freelancing as a launchpad. Now I know what you're thinking. Freelancing? That's trading time for money. Isn't that against the whole passive income idea? Yes and no. Freelancing is not the final destination. It's the bridge. Here's why. Freelancing allows you to build income fast, without waiting months or years for a business to grow. You gain skills. You build a portfolio. And most importantly, you get cash flow. Then you can take that cash flow and reinvest it into more scalable businesses, like digital products, like e-commerce, like real estate. Remember this, your freelancing business funds your freedom. Business idea number 5, AI-powered services. This one is new, and it's huge. Artificial intelligence is not taking jobs away, it's creating opportunities. Right now, small businesses are desperate for help integrating AI into their workflow. They don't know how to use ChatGPT. They don't know how to automate tasks. They don't know how to save time and money with these tools. If you can learn even basic AI skills, you can sell those services. Think AI consulting, content creation with AI, automation setups. And the best part? You don't need to be an AI genius. You just need to be one step ahead of the average person. And that's enough to charge real money. The big mistake to avoid. Now let's pause, because here's where most people fail. They start with motivation, but no system. They jump from one idea to another, and 6 months later, they have nothing to show for it. So here's what you need to do. Pick one, not 3, not 5, just one business idea, and commit to it for at least 6 months. You'll be tempted to quit. You'll see others moving faster. You'll doubt yourself. But remember this, consistency beats talent, always. Quick recap. The best online business ideas for 2025 are digital products and courses, content creation, niche e-commerce, freelancing as a bridge, AI-powered services. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're real businesses. And if you treat them like real businesses, they can change your life. Here's the final thought I'll leave you with. A year from now, you'll wish you started today. So which one are you going to commit to? And if you want to see how I personally structure my money once I start earning, watch my video, Budgeting for Beginners, the 50-30-20 rule simplified for Gen Z. Because starting a business is one thing, keeping the money is another. Remember, opportunity waits for no one. Start now, and your future self will thank you.